Before EdModo, there were discussions in class, and in those discussions, not many people talked. Also, discussions, they could only be about one topic, and they weren't really long, so they weren't really useful. Then our teacher, Mr. Locken, he introduced to us EdModo, and EdModo is found on the internet, which is also on the computer, and many people like to work with computers. And when working with EdModo, the non-participants within the discussions were more plentiful, and the normal talkers had more high-quality questions. And also, when the teacher required for everyone to answer his questions, everyone would actually answer them and share more connections.
EdModo can be used to develop questions and really help us think more about our topic. Like this person asked a question and made a comment also that they think that anti-gang units should also be kind of like the police. And this other person came back to say that they don't know if that'd be a good idea, and then they asked the question about the topic and went on to have another classmate to ask a question if that was similar to a neighborhood watch, and this person answered their question as it kind of is one, but it's more citywide. And then the original author came back to say all of this, and it showed that he developed more about the topic and knew more just by having his classmates help him with these questions.
In EdModo, I am comfortable asking and making connections to other people's comments because we wasn't talking, we were writing comments to each other on the computer. My comments, for example, there are more and more suicide occurring because of the internet and phone. People get depressed from other people and might want to plan suicide. I would never have the ability to ask or say this comment in class because I'm not comfortable speaking English. The reason is because I'm already know one language, and learning English is really hard for me. I'm afraid I'm going to pronounce the wrong words, and I'm also really shy too. I think that is what most people are. If students are not asking questions in class, then they will not get the answers until they talk, which most people won't talk. And thanks to Mr. Morgan that he let us use EdModo for discussion because EdModo helped me understand a lot more about the topic that my practice is going to be, because actually asking questions and getting answer and connection in EdModo from different students.
Done. I don't know, we can't